Hi everyone, it's Susan Burke from interactivelessons.com.au. Today, continuing on with sharing some demonstration videos around how to create different activities in Smart Notebook, I'd really want to share with you some of the fabulous new gamification capabilities of Smart Learning Suite. So in Smart Learning Suite, we don't just have Smart Notebook, we have a number of other fabulous applications. One of them is called Smart Lab. So Smart Lab creates fabulous games for the students and activities for the students to play. And the beauty of this is that you can do this on the board with your students, or because it has this lovely little symbol here, it means that you can push it out to students to work individually or collaboratively on their individual devices. So if they have a tablet or an iPad or even a phone, you can use the capacity there is to actually be able to push that out. I'm not going to be talking about that aspect today. I'm just going to be talking about how to create the activity in Smart Lab. So this is a fill in the blanks. You've got some sentences there. It's just like a close activity where you're checking on the students' knowledge of what they've been learning about. This one is for a Maths Year 4 outcome from the Australian curriculum, learning to compare and classify angles. So for example here, these are your words that you can drag in. So this would make sense. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. A right angle is exactly, and you're putting in that. Now this one is super easy to create. Let's have a look at how to do it. So I'm going to go to a blank page here. And where we find our Smart Lab is this fabulous icon here that looks like a little bit of a robot. And that's Smart Lab. And you'll see as soon as you click on Smart Lab that there are lots of different games to choose from. So this one that we're demonstrating today is fill in the blank. So you simply click on that and you're adding your content, which is as simple as typing it in. So this is where you're typing the entire sentence. So an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay, and then here you get to check the answers and you can choose when prompted instantly or don't check. So I'll show you what instantly looks like. What I had there was when prompted, but let's have a look at what instantly looks like. So, and you do have the option of typing like I was doing, or you can actually have all these questions on a Word document or something and you can just copy and paste them in. So let's do another one. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. Oops, better spell it right. And less than 180 degrees. Okay, I'll just put those two in. I won't go any further for the purpose of this demonstration. The next step after you've entered your content, oh, again with some spelling errors, I do apologise. There we go. We're going to edit the text. And here is where we're going to define the blank. So it says, it tells you what to do. Define a blank by clicking a word. So I'm going to make that acute. And then this one over here, so I'm going to make it, let's say, greater than 90 degrees here. So I've selected all the ones that are now have been clicked and are selected in the blue. They are the ones that will be blank. So now I select next, and here I just get to select my theme. So you can go anything from this fabulous monsters to this more scientific looking like a lab. This is simple with no distractions, which can be really handy because some students get distracted by images behind text. Or we can go with the underwater. I'm going to stick with the monsters theme and select finish. Then it just needs a little bit of time to populate. You can see that it's loading, and then you can move it onto the page wherever you sort of want. I'll leave it where it is, and it's already there for you. And because we've selected for it to be checked instantly, if I put the wrong answer in, it will spit it out. So then I can put the correct answer in and it will lock it in there and accept it as correct and give you a little green tick. Okay, so that's super simple. That is how fill in the blanks works, and you can review it if you like. or you can reset. So take it out, go back to edit, and anytime you can go back to edit and change the theme, or if you've made a spelling mistake, you can go in there and retype it in. It's all super easy to use. And we're done. So that's what a simple one looks like. Finish changing the theme if you don't want to have anything behind there. And that is how we create a fill in the blanks. Obviously, you would see many uses for that activity. And I hope that you enjoyed that little demonstration. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Susan@interactivelessons.com.au is my email, and I'm always more than happy to help. See you at the next one.